self-serve pancake maker. I think I got the plate in the right spot. Busy morning at the airport here. Looks like another cloudy day.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. I'm Jim.
Jim.
And I'm going to take you on a sightseeing tour of my town, Sydney. I'm actually a fourth generation Australian. Not made in China, like everything else is today. So welcome to Sydney. So have you been here before? Some first timers?
Second time for this one.
Third time.
Bit of everything, eh? First timers, second timers. Temperature or climate in Sydney is very moderate and certainly great place to tour around. Maybe a little chilly for some of you. Right at the moment, you'll note this as we travel around. We've got a lot of construction taking place. Yeah, so just a modern way of thinking.
That's a talented clown.
So you said they have everything in Market City?
To an organisation that is controlled by one of Australia's richest men, James Packer. It's going to be a very unusual looking building, similar to what you see in Dubai. It was all shipping area, warehouse, a little place called Wollongong.
That's the new casino they're
So
building there.
this area over the next couple of years.
Well, there's where we were the other day over there at Luna Park. We're taking a bus ride tour around Sydney. Now we are under the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Here's the Harbour Bridge under construction back in September of 1929. Aerial view of Sydney back in 1982. This is the way to go right here. Hop on, hop off.
Of course, beautiful St Mary's Cathedral just coming into view on the right-hand side. St Mary's.
This point we're at the end of the Botanical Gardens, is called Mrs. Macquarie's Chair. And this was her final resting spot. Basically, when she started to become terminally ill, she would come down here and watch the ships come in, wishing she was on one. This is a very interesting tree. Love the root system on this.
So you'll see a number of our ships in port.
Ooh.
Another example of the old warehouse buildings converted. The one on the left-hand side, that's actually called Woolloomooloo.
What's a
and it has a number of beautiful apartments. In fact, Russell Crowe had one of our leading actors. He had in fact restaurants and also a level for events and functions. Men and women who have died in the call of their duty, protecting us. I drink the Coke Zero, which is no sugar.
To me, that's a fake stuff.
To show that that's where you are to swim. If you're a surfboard rider, you have to be outside of those two flags. If you're a swimmer, you have to be on the inside of those flags because the surf life-saving people have deemed that is the safest part of the beach to swim in today. It moves.
This is Bondi Beach, and it is very windy. We got a couple surfers out there, as you can see. But they say it's usually this windy all the time out here. And during the summertime, they say that sometimes there'll be over 1 million people out here on this beach. Bondi Surfing Bathers Life-Saving Club. Bucket List Bar and Eatery. And then next to that, the Bondi Pavilion. The office, gallery, theater, studios, cafe, toilet, and shops. Well, when we first got here, it wasn't too many people on the beach, and about 4 bus loads came. And now everybody's heading to the cold waters. Look at those cliffs over there. There's a favorite show that is filmed down here, and this is about the lifeguards at Bondi Beach. I've only seen it on YouTube. I don't think we get it back in the United States. The brave men and women that save a lot of people out of these treacherous waters here. Pretty good show. You ought to check it out. Well, I'm in a different hotel room now. I get a different view. It's not the airport, but this crazy building here has grass and moss and bushes and trees hanging off of it. Do have a nice sunset of the city there. And over here is a apartment complex. Well, I really didn't do much today. Took a bus tour with a large group of people, which was really fun. We had a great bus driver. Went down towards the harbor, underneath the bridge, and toured little parts of the city. Didn't get off too many times, basically just stayed on the bus and saw everything. And finished up over there at Bondi Beach, which was pretty cold, but it started raining and it was windy, but still a nice time. And on that note, traveler out.